An essential part of every program that you will write in the future is a variable. A variable is a character whose value is unknown or is bound to change. In our second lecture, we'll study different data types of variables in Python. Do you know the difference between these three? While they may look the same, they are interpreted differently by the Python interpreter. So basically we have three general data types in Python which we will come across more often. Number one is integers. At second we have strings. And at third we have floats or floating point numbers. An integer is any number without the decimal point. You can perform mathematical operations on them. If you open the Python idle, you can use it as a calculator easily to get instant results. An integer can be assigned to a variable like any other value using an assignment operator which is equal to. If you operate integers with a floating point number, integers are upgraded to float, an example of which you can see on the screen. In strings, we are dealing with all alphanumeric text, which not only includes numbers but also alphabets, symbols, and whatnot. You cannot perform mathematical operations on them without converting them to integers or floats. This we will learn later on. Strings are everything under inverted commas in Python. Lastly, we have floating point numbers. All numbers with a decimal point come in this category. This is a separate data type because that dot requires more space in memory, hence a different name. In a sense, 3 is equal to 3.0 because that is logically true, but in terms of data types, we are talking about something different. Before signing off, I have a little assignment for you. Write down three variables in which one is a string, second is an integer, and third is a floating point number. Also try to perform some mathematical operations on them and check the result.